Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over ISIG with you guys. An amazing run we had this morning in the Instables room has been breaking out for the last couple days in the Instables room. So I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're trying to hold above to continue this momentum, which indicators will give us confirmation above that 52-week high that we're looking for at 35.50. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that are mentioned throughout the week. And also, I do welcome anybody interested in intraday perspective breakouts. We mentioned pre-market news and any halts worth looking at throughout the day, and also major breakouts throughout the day if there are any major volume movers. Again, the market very slow, so major breakouts from pre-market news has been many of the breakouts that we have been having. Go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 5-minute chart with you guys here on ISIG. Then I'm going to go over the 1-hour chart so you guys can see what kind of momentum we have at this point in time compared to the major breakout that we had previously, all the way up to 35.50, which is our 52-week highs. Again, this morning we did mention them on a spike in pre-market at $19, looking to see if we can break above yesterday's highs at $23.40. And again, we did mention them yesterday also on a spike, halted at $17.60, had a nice 30% breakout up to $23.40. Also did mention very high risk at this point in time, and sure enough did cool down from then, and we were looking to see if we can continue. As you guys can see, we had the 20 moving average crossing back over the 50 into pre-market, which is exactly why we did alert this one, also getting this increase in buy pressure, giving us this confirmation on this momentum, looking to see if we can continue, and sure enough broke above our previous highs at $23.40, jumping all the way to $29.91 today, looking to see if we can break into highs and also break into new 52-week highs. Now I'm going to jump back to the 1-hour chart real quick with you guys so you guys can see what exactly will give us this confirmation on this momentum to have a continuation. And again, very important here, as we did reach up to $29.91, and we do have our 35.51 rejection that we had previously. Making sure we do increase in momentum is going to be very key here on the 1-hour chart. As you guys can see, again, we do have our increase in buy pressure, which gave us the spike to $23.40. But however, we do have these EMA lines still above the MACD. As you guys can see previously, we had these EMA lines still above the MACD. Even though we did not increase in buy pressure, breaking above our previous buy pressure point, we continue to break continue highs. So again, we do like how the EMA lines are still above the MACD, showing us that we still could continue. But again, we do need to make sure we do break above our buy pressure point that we had, jumping up to $23.40, or else we will get rejected to the upside and we will not reach that 35.50 mark. Again, very key that we make sure we increase in buy pressure here, that we did get rejected at $23.40. Now we do have the 20-day moving average crossing back over the 50-day moving average. Again, the yellow line jumping back over the red line, showing us that we still could continue, which is exactly why we did have this continuation, but making sure we do break above our previous gap down and our previous doji candle that we could not hold above here, exactly at about $24.50. Again, we did break above it, but as you guys can see, we have not held the body of the candle above here on the 1-hour chart. So again, we do need to make sure we do increase in buy pressure to get more confirmation here on this momentum. Again, breaking over 35.50 obviously would be the very clean breakout that we're looking for to break into new highs, but we need to make sure we do increase in buy pressure here, as we are decreasing in buy pressure. Making sure we do get confirmation on momentum is exactly what we will be looking for here on ISIG. Again, making sure we get confirmation on the 1-hour chart, on that momentum on the MACD, is going to be very key for us to get confirmation to break over 35.50. So again, ISIG will be on the watch for that confirmation here on the MACD on the 1-hour chart to get that major breakout that we're looking for. Again, getting that decrease in buy pressure, looking for that increase in buy pressure to get more confirmation here on ISIG. And again, with that said, if you do want to see all of our intraday perspective breakouts, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today. Again, all of you instables that have been coming over and supporting the channel, all of you instables from the room that have been coming over from the channel as well, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help with the find it, it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.